Yeah, whoa.
Bullet connected, Nathan?
100% safe there, buddy.
You are 100% safe. Let's go to the edge.
Walk to the edge.
Stand straight.
Straight.
Arms out. Look up. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Where do I go?
Happy birthday, dear Nathan. Happy birthday to you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, budget.
Oh! Oh! Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh, there's a rainbow. Wow, that was the craziest thing I've ever done in my life. And my eyes feel like they're about to pop out of my head. Hello. Oh, dude, it was crazy. Here? No. Where are you from? United States. Just having some casual conversations over Victoria Falls. What's your name? Freedom. Your name's Freedom? Yes.
Are you okay?
Yes.
You made it today, man.
It's not. I don't know why they sang that. I cannot believe I just did that.
It's your birthday today.
No, it's not. I don't know why they sang that. I don't know why they sang happy birthday.
Thursday, eh?
My birthday is in like 3 weeks.
How you doing, my friend?
Hello.
Are you the birthday boy?
I'm not. I don't know why they sang that.
Why not singing?
I don't know.
They are crazy. You guys are crazy.
Which way?
Yeah, to your left. Oh,
This is a very rusty bridge.
oh yeah.
This is weird. They just kind of let you go to walk on this bridge along this cable. And it's like you have to keep unclipping and reclipping. I think my mom was more scared than I was too. It's actually fun, like once you jump, getting back up to the top is like a little ropes course. I have a message to Conrad Balliser, who used his kids as an excuse to chicken out. I guess, this is really weird. Like, I don't know if it's showing up on the GoPro. I'm just kind of like walking around this bridge by myself. But I guess if I just jumped off it, I could handle walking along it. Oh God. Straight down. Straight down. Click again. I just walk up. Kind of weird. Guess I can do it. I don't even know, like, what's just happened.
Oh my gosh, is it crazy?
Yeah, I don't know, like, I remember bouncing around with that first, like, actual drop, blacked out. I just remember, like, not being able to breathe or move. No, that was definitely, like, major top 10 bucket list achieved. 100%. I'm just waiting for my eyes to go back in their sockets, so that'll feel nice. That was a one-time thing. That was a one-time, maybe 2 or 3 times. That was so fun. my eyes feel like they're like out of my sockets. Like I feel like I need to push my eyes back into my head. That was so cool. I could not breathe or move on the drop. Why would you?
Yeah, Nathan! How was it, buddy?
That was so scary.
We got the coolest video of me. Oh my god.
This is crazy. Are you still shaking? Are you guys still shaking?
What?
How do I feel? It's like absolute nothingness. Like it's like you can't hear, you can't. I mean, you can see about, remember it, but you can't hear anything. Everything, like the whole world is just gone, and you're just like floating in space. I don't remember it. I don't, like, I just remember black and white.
Can you take out my phone? Yeah, Nathan! How was it, buddy?
That was so scary.
We got the coolest video of you. Oh my gosh. Nathan, how did you feel? What was it?
Yes. My name?
Are you feel second? Yeah, I am too.
Nice one, Maggie. You speak with your father. That's right. What happened now? What, Bungee? Explain to your father now.
How do I feel? It's like absolute nothingness. Like, it's like you can't hear, you can't, I mean, you can see, but I don't remember it, but you can't hear anything. Everything, like the whole world is just gone, and you're just like floating in space.